Welcome to Armand Academy. Like and subscribe for more content and drop your doubts in the comments. Share with your friends and classmates. For private tuition in these subjects across all boards and universities, contact me here or the link in the description. Let's get started. From the given hypothetical situation, answer questions 12 to 14. Floater Limited issued 60,000 8% debentures of 100 each at a 5% discount to be redeemed at a 10% premium at the end of 5 years. On the date of issue, balance in the securities premium was 8 lakhs and statement of profit and loss debit 5 lakhs. Loss on issue of debentures is to be written off as dash out of securities premium and dash out of statement of profit and loss. Now, you have been given 5% discount as well as a 10% premium. Okay. Both of these have to be factored in. Both of these will be as part of our loss on issue of debentures. Loss on issue of debentures. Okay. Discount, the discount component is going to be 5% of the issue price. Okay. So if I want to calculate the discount, it's going to be 100, okay, into 60,000 into 5%, 5%, or simply find out 5% of 100 is 5, and that we multiply into 60,000. Okay, so what I'm going to get over here is 3 lakhs. Similarly, a 10% premium, 5% is 3 lakhs. So this 10%, okay, this 10%, which is your premium, okay, I'll write it down over here. Premium will be 6 lakhs. Right, so loss on issue of debentures is to be written off as dash out of the securities premium and dash out of the statement of profit and loss. Remember that if there is a securities premium, how much ever securities premium is there, okay, that much can be used. Okay, that much can be used. So how much of securities premium exists? We have 8 lakhs. Okay, how much is the total loss on issue of debentures? The discount is 3 lakhs. The premium on redemption is 6 lakhs. And therefore, we have altogether 9 lakhs. But the securities premium account has only 8 lakhs. And therefore, the rest of it will go to the statement of profit and loss. Okay, 9 minus 8 gives us 1. So our answer is 8 lakhs and 1 lakh, and therefore C. All right. Next, we have, after writing off loss on issue of debentures, dash balance in profit and loss account will be. Now, first of all, remember we are starting with the debit balance. And if you're going to be writing off this loss of 1 lakh, this is also a debit entry. Okay. It is SOPL. Okay. And the combined entry is SOPL debit. Okay. Securities premium debit. Both of these are debited, and loss on issue is credited. Okay, so in either case, it was already debit. It is going to be further debit. Okay, and we have two debit options. Now the question is how much? It was already 5 lakhs, and we have debited it again by 1 lakh. Right, so the statement of profit and loss is being debited by 1 lakh. The securities premium is being debited by 8 lakhs. And accordingly, we are crediting the loss on issue altogether with 9 lakhs. Anyway, so how much are we debiting? Statement of profit and loss, 1 lakh. It was already 5 lakhs. Added together, and you will get 6 lakhs, and therefore your answer is A. Next, premium on redemption of debentures account will have a balance of dash to be treated as dash in the first year. Okay, now the premium on redemption is going to be the same amount okay, that we calculate over here, 6 lakhs. Okay, we start with 6 lakhs, and then what happens going forward? It will be redeemed when? At the time of redemption of debentures, which is 5 years later. So at that time, we get rid of the premium on redemption. It's at that time we are paying more at the time of redemption. And since it is more than a year later and it is something we have to pay, it is a non-current liability. Okay, so we are talking about 6 lakhs non-current liability, and therefore your answer is C. Any doubts? Feel free to ask.